kular hakan ikasni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong man long kita kinong siat hagi hotel and hagi restaurant hi bapau. Hamokam hilaban pun long hi kathong ko chongpi. Ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ka degree course ka diploma ba ka advanced diploma course.
Yong kau sio song ko yong ko ho ni bulu ve nai tin ka ko ka ino hal kit na ve. Hey ha. Hai ti bab dingai hin khu ki mangai ta. Ipiti tam be. Ho.
Tang shi singi hadian beralap yakin riu tili ki met yap jukinaga. Haga step pringam jonga singi palai ka khatwai tri ujulio aza pun riu. Kile no kilarung jubor hakashnong kikuki kabadan hakam jong district. Kashnong kabalatip kumbakutlu bat kila herthma yikinong shongshnong bat thangplu iki yeng briu. Hagan ga jingja armut kinong yalam shnong la kalon yam bat uwei pat ulam saw. Kila dan kumba santili ee ki yeng briu ki bala sha thangplu hakile no. Ki armut ki bala sha penyam ki de ki bala tip kerteng kumulan milun haukim bat ulun mit thang haukim. Baro armut ki de kinong yalam shnong. Shwai kani hakamiat jongka singi balang kata ka shpotri ujliu aza pun riu ka office jongka naga people front ka badan halyang mai thaupang ka bahab asina pati district kala sha panjat pun pra ha kirunar kini ki jingja ki dei hagapor baka united naga council kala khangshnong arpu saw kanta kum kadak jingso si halor ka jing sha panyap kin riungun
Yong kau sio song ko yong ko ho ni bulu ve nai tin ka ko ka ino hal kit na ve. Hey ha. Hai ti bab dingai hin khu ki mangai ta. Ipiti tam be. Ho. Ha ma mai hin khu hi. Ka khu mi an thing yo ham thing hi lo lai ham yang kai hi lai ye.
Ki anun nal te in a pha ai chin. Noi lang kha tai kha te. Ta. Hey.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.